Hey guys, welcome to my channel yonij. So this time I'll be doing some cooking on my channel. I still don't know what I'm doing on my channel, but since I love food and travel, I think I'm gonna go focus on that. So in today's video, we're gonna be checking out my trying to make a simple pizza. So this one I have made last night, so it's been on the fridge overnight, and then I put out an hour ago while I am making the tomato sauce. And then we're gonna go see how it works. So I don't know how good it is. So this is gonna be our first time trying it out. And if it works, I'll be putting all the ingredients down below in the description. Okay, with that said, you're gonna go need this. So this is what it looks like right now. So it's been overnight. So it's very soft and sticky. So we're gonna go need some flour. And then I wanted to make it to be accessible to everybody, so I only have used a counter oven. This is what we usually use in the house. And then a simple tomato sauce, pizza sauce, and then a mozzarella cheese. So very, very simple, and that is what we're trying to do. So now let's go ahead and start it. Dust our countertop, so it's not gonna be sticky for our dough. So this is very simple ingredients. Everybody will have these at home, so you don't have to worry about not having these at home. So we're gonna go cut it in half because I wanna see how it works at first. We're gonna go make a very small one. So, I forgot my roller. Okay, now we got it. So the kids like it to be thick crust, so that's what I am trying to do right now. So if you guys want a thinner crust, just roll it thinner. It's pretty good. I'm surprised it works like this. That makes me happy. Hopefully this is a good one. Okay. This is my first time trying out a recipe on my channel. So I apologize if I am acting weird. I don't know what I'm doing, but I love to cook. So that is something that you guys will know and find out over time on my channel. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome to my channel and thank you for being here. Okay, so looks like this is pretty. So I'm using a cast iron because I want it to be super crunchy. And this retains heat real good. So if you guys have a cast iron, use that. If not, just use whatever you want to use to bake this crust. So it looks like it's all gonna go fit really good here now. So before I started, I set up the oven in 450 degrees. So that's what it's all gonna be. And then just press. If you have a garlic butter, you would want to spread it out already on the crust. But since I don't have that and we're trying to just showcase the basic one, this is what it's all gonna look like. So over here, and now let's go try to put our tomato sauce. If this works, it's very easy to make. It doesn't take a long time to make, so that's gonna be super awesome. Even your little kids can do these at home with your supervision, of course, so they don't burn the house. Okay, so since I don't know how good they want the sauce, we're just gonna go cover it this much and then sprinkle our mozzarella cheese. So you guys can add whatever you guys want to add. But for now, we're trying the super basic one. So if you are on a budget, this doesn't require too much. And hopefully you guys will gonna like it. So now let's put it in the oven. So I didn't really use so much. So if you guys want can, this is gonna go a long ways. So you guys can put it in the refrigerator and use it later on. Okay, now open these. Put it inside. There we go. And now make sure the timer is 20. Well, we'll try 15 first, and then we'll come back later on and see and update you guys what my pizza looks like, and then we're gonna go do the taste test after that. So I'll be right back and see you in a bit. Looks and smells good. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes and looks like my pizza is looking done. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can zoom it, but it looks done by now. So I think you just watch how it's cooked. I set it up on 15 minutes, but every oven is different, so make sure you guys watch it around 10 minutes or so you guys doesn't overcook your pizza. But as you guys can see, my pizza this is what it looks like, and it smells good right now. So I am excited to see if this is gonna work or what. Lift it so I can show you guys what the crust looks like. Okay, moment of truth. Can you guys see the crust? But I'm gonna cut it so it's smaller.
Looks like it could have cooked longer. It's a little undone.
You see it? In the bottom. Oh, we'll try and see. The top is looking good already. Okay, let's turn this off so it doesn't make... Okay, now let's cut. I'm excited. It's crunchy sound in the bottom. I like it a little bit chewy, so maybe we're gonna see if this is something that works or not. Oh my.
You had the oven on 400?
450.
450.
Okay, now let's see.
It's gonna be hot. Looks nice and thick. Wow.
I think you want to cook it a little longer, but it tastes super good. I wonder if I can cook it again.
Yeah, it's not too late, I think.
Okay, turbo.
Let's do that and we'll come back.
Yep, so we'll put it back, prop it back. All right, but it's super yummy. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Okay, so don't do what I did. That was a mistake on my part.
Listen to your husband.
15 minutes is really what it is. Exactly 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes and we'll come back after 5 more minutes, guys. Okay, so the pizza is done. We have added 5 minutes, as you guys saw a while ago, and looks like it's really done. Look at that.
Now it's done.
Now it's really done.
Still looks good.
Okay, so if you guys doesn't want it to be these, the bottom. Ooh, now let's go try this one piece that we have cut a while ago.
See what the bottom looks like. I don't think it's going to be...
I'm gonna cut these so you guys can see.
I like how thick it is.
Aiden, we're gonna like it.
I think so.
So we're gonna show what the bread looks like. Look at that. Ah, it's hot.
What's it look like on the bottom?
The bottom is...
Same. I think you need like a...
So...
If it was in a pizza oven,
it's gonna be
really
different.
Quick.
Yeah.
It'd take you about 2 minutes.
It's super good though. I love the simplicity of the taste. So you guys can just use the recipe for the dough and the pizza sauce, and then just do however you want to cook it. But this is just for those you shouldn't top when you are eating. And this is for those who's just trying to experiment and then see how it works. Like I said, I want to make this video more accessible for everybody. So, and then it's cheaper to make. I think if you have, most home have all the ingredients that I have used in here, and it shouldn't be costing you more than $5 for 2 pizza. And if you don't want it to be thick, a crust like this, you can make 2 big large pizza with this recipe if you want it to be thin crust. So we're gonna go try to make the other one thin crust later on for our next video. But for now, I am happy with the outcome. It almost looks like it's a margarita pizza because it's just
try a piece.
Because it's more of like just tomatoes and cheese pizza. It's really good. I think if you add garlic butter on the crust, before you bake it, it's gonna be extra yummy.
Yeah, I like it. Aiden's gonna love it. For thick.
It's really good, guys.
Like a pan pizza.
So if you guys like a thick crust pizza, this is so good. Even if you don't make this as a pizza, this is gonna be really good. Even just a normal bread, Italian bread or something. So anyway, with that said, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy my first try making the pizza. Yummy, yummy. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to yonij, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.